hear me now?
I can hear you now.
Just like the commercial.
That's right.
And even your picture's clearer.
Ah.
Good.
Have you talked to Johnny yet? Have you got...
Last night.
Did you see him? Did you get him on Skype?
I did.
Okay.
I talked to him at home and he was blurry. And then he was frozen. And, what are you doing?
Nothing.
Yes, you are. I could see you. Remember, Mom can see everything. Remember we had those extra eyes behind us?
Oh, yes. I can see behind you, too.
Okay, good, yeah.
There's a mirror back there.
That's your window.
It's a window.
Oh.
Not a window. It's the glass door.
Okay, now I see where you're at.
Yeah, that was
All right.
Oh, I'm sorry. You weren't just there. We were.
How's your landscape doing? The flowers all blooming?
Beautiful. I get more compliments, and I have to go outside to take a look at it to enjoy it.